How to unarchive a story on Instagram. So here we are on Instagram, and the first thing that we'll be doing is that we're going to tap on the profile icon here on the bottom right. In here, you want to tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right. Next, you want to tap here on archive. And this is where you'd be able to see all the stories that you have archived here or stories that have been past a day. So this is where you can see some options and what you can do with that. For example, I'm going to go with this one, my most recent one, which is yesterday. I'm going to tap here and then I can now view the story. And from here, we would want to tap here on the more section or the three dots right here. We don't have the option anymore on reposting this story into our own story if the story hasn't passed a day yet. We don't have that anymore. I think that is because of the update. The only option that we have right here is to share this as a post. So when you tap on that right here, you'd now be able to repost this and then tap on next and then share. And then as you can see, it will now be posted right here, but it's not actually a story. So now let's go back in here and go into that exact same story. And from here, you can get this to be in the highlight, or you can tap here on the share button right here. And then you can post this as your story if you tap on the share button. So these are your only options if you would want to unarchive a story on Instagram as for now, because Instagram didn't have that update yet, but I think they removed that feature. I was able to post my story again into my story. If the story hasn't passed a day yet, I can definitely get it back on my story if I accidentally archived it. So yeah, this is how you can archive a story on Instagram. Thank you for watching.